Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher. Hatcher, Steam. 1. Open Steam Library. 2. Right-click GTA Vi, click Properties. 3. Go to the Installed Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Have Epic Games Launcher. 1. Open Epic Games Launcher, go to Library. 2. Click the 3 dots under GTA Vi. 3. Click Manage, then Verify Files. Rockstar Games Launcher. 1. Open Rockstar Games Launcher. 2. Go to Settings under My Installed Games, select GTA V. 3. Click Verify Integrity. 2. Delete temporary game cache. 1. Press WinR, type sent local app data %. 2. Open the folder named Rockstar Games. 3. Navigate to GTA Vi cache folder or any temp cache folders. 4. Delete contents inside the cache folder. 3. Remove or disable mods. If you have installed any mods or third-party scripts, they can cause file mismatches. Temporarily remove all mods, especially from the scripts, mods, and update folders. Restore your update.rpf file if modified. 4. Reinstall the game only if above fails. If verifying fails and the issue continues, uninstall GTA Vi, reboot your PC. Reinstall the game through your launcher. 5. Optional Run as Administrator Compatibility Mode. Right-click on GTA5.exe Properties. Go to Compatibility tab. Check. Run this program in compatibility mode, Windows 8 or 7. Run this program as an administrator. HECCO title for video. Fix GTA 5 RSys file load, corrupt game data error in 2025, verify game data.